Nvugu Nyosi, Black Revolutionary now. Just wanted to bring you this video on this black comedian on stage who made fun of George Floyd death. And yes, we all know what happened to George Floyd a few years ago. A white supremacist unalive him for the whole world to see. And he's serving prison time right now, rightfully so. But back to this comedian. Under no circumstance we should be making fun of our people who was unalived by white supremacists. So when we look at victims like Tamir Rice, Eric Gardner, Sandra Bland, George Floyd, Breonna Taylor, Philando Castile, the list goes on. We should never make fun, never. Some people say, oh, too soon? No. There is never a time that is funny. We normalize this behavior so much where people get away with this kind of nonsense. Check out this video and we will come back and discuss it.
And all these fucking good ass white people at my show. And you wanted to show them the reason George Floyd got his neck nailed on. Don't ooh at that joke. It's just a joke, man. I would have never kneeled on George Floyd's neck. I would have shot that neck. And that was way too long. Oh my God. I think I just canceled the rest of my black fans. But you ain't gummy worming no dick in no ass. All right, Bill Cosby just left. Oh, you back, buddy? Leather Jack, he won't even talk to me. That's old school. Man, you up here making us look. I've been to Minnesota and I went in the gas station and I asked them to let me see that fake 20. We don't do refunds, big dog. It's called comedy. You really stoop low to put the outfit on. You look like you drive a yellow taxi cab. You ready to go? All right, baby. Okay. I can tell you voted for Biden. All right, get out of here, baby. Come on. Don't make it a big deal. Come on, baby. You already bought that VIP ticket, bitch. I got that $42. Buy a t-shirt on the way out, too. I got a Make America Roast Again shirt in the style of Trump. You offended, too, baby, with the braids? You offended, too? God damn, man. Y'all good? Or y'all about to... Oh, I like Kyle Rittenhouse too.
Wow. Unbelievable. How can you be a black person in 2024 pushing and promoting this nonsense? What you do when you do this, you open the gate for other race of people to think and feel it's okay to make fun of people who look like us, who die tragically. It's very, very insensitive for anyone who look like us to make this a joke, yo. This is not funny. This is something where we need to understand the whole world is watching and paying attention. You will never see no other group of people, especially who had a movement like that in 2020, put this on the world stage, and they're gonna let one of their people come and make fun of that. Never. That will never be allowed in no other group of people, community. Never. This is crazy, and we have to do better. Sorry, he have to do better. We know better. And I'm sick of this, like, people saying, okay, well, we need to do better. Nah. When you do stuff like that, the onus is on you to do better. I ain't going to be mixed up in your shenanigans and your ignorance of you doing something, and you want to, you know how people want to say, oh yeah, well, it's all of us. No, it's that Negro over there. That's why it is very important that we call it out and we separate ourselves from this kind of nonsense. So I just wanted just to bring you that video and just show you that we can't allow this kind of thing to happen. And when we see and hear stuff like this, we gotta call it out right away. And we have to let other race of people know this is unacceptable. We can't have this forming a habit for other people to think we don't respect and honor and take something like this seriously. Peace and Black power. Black revolutionary now.